I'm gonna make a green smoothing knife. That I help my clients with, but those are the 4 things that are missing in the standard American diet. You may be like, Lance, I eat healthy, ain't nobody got time for all that, or don't. Hey, these things are really important, okay, for overall brain function, muscle function, joint function. Every part of their body is going to need one of those aspects for proper digestion, really. And digestion affects so many other things. It's the second brain, they call it. You know, it's the gut-brain axis. So many things that happen up here are affected by what's going on down here and what we put in here. Okay, so whew, very important, very important. All right, so I'm gonna just put the AM part back on here. Whoa, it's like a guillotine. Sometimes capsules get almost cut off here. It's gotta be careful. All right, so boom, got that AM and PM. I've actually already taken it for. Oops, I put it the wrong side. But anyways, I already taken it for today, the AM part, and now I'm ready, locked and loaded for the week. And you know, I just try to again set myself up for success by preparing. So if you fail to prepare, you can prepare to fail. But if we just prepare properly, then we're good to go. And sometimes I do forget an AM or PM. Sometimes the day just escapes me. And you know, I'm not going to say I don't have time, because we make time for the things that we value or that are important for us. But I will try to make it up in another day. So, and normally I take one in the AM and PM. I might take one in the AM, early afternoon, and then, you know, late afternoon, but not the evening, right, when I'm trying to go to bed or something. So that's what I do with that. And then I do also like to prepare and prep anything that needs to be opened that I will use fairly soon. So this is going to be one of them as well. So I kind of like to prep the V-shake as well. Woo. All right, so we get that going. All right, so this is like a vanilla flavor, and this is, yeah, paper, so we can put that in there. All right, you can see it, kind of. All right, yeah, again, good source of protein, fiber, and helps your body to basically, you know, support your muscles whenever you had a hard workout or a decent workout or go running or cardio, and that's awesome. So that's prepped and ready to go. These are prepped. I've already, you know, removed them. That's prepped. This is ready because I've already kind of like, you know, turned it a little bit, so that's ready to go. Actually, I'm going to use some right now because I was, oh yeah, oh yeah, showing a little skin there too. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to continue to, all right, just a couple, you know, a few swipes on each side. Smells like my underarms now, mixed with balance and other natural ingredients. I actually, so this is something I don't try to run out of, but I did run out of it. So I was using organic and raw coconut oil, and then I was using, I put that on first underneath there, and then I was using like On Guard. Definitely want to use a carrier oil or coconut oil first before you apply those topically, especially under like lymph nodes, because that stuff can like, woo, all right, but I was good, right? I used coconut oil first, and then we're good. And I noticed that it did help with reducing some of the odor, but I still had a little funkiness. And maybe that's just me. Maybe my nose is like, I can smell myself and the On Guard, but I just felt like it wasn't working as well as this. And I did try some other oils. I tried like Melaleuca under my pits with organic raw coconut oil. Again, the carrier oil or coconut oil was first, and then I applied the essential oil. And that reduces the chance of irritation and helps with absorption too. And so I did that. Let's see. But the long story short, the point I'm trying to make is like, this helps with the odor more, and a large part of it may be because I'm also putting a thicker layer than just like coconut oil, which absorbs, and essential oil, which evaporates and absorbs. And this is kind of like a layer that kind of stays on the skin, so it kind of like, I want to say it cakes up, because you know, if you put too much, yeah, it can cake underneath the armpit. But I would say that that layer is helpful, right? It's like a barrier from your skin, the sweat, and whatever builds up, and excuse me, neutralizing that. I had breakfast. That's what it was. Woo, good thing you can't smell stuff. I'm telling you, you'd be like, man, you smell like On Guard, Balance, body odor, and burp. Goodness. It's just a day in the life, I'll tell you what. All right, so, and then this has a little like lip on it for the On Guard toothpaste, but I'm not going to open that yet because I haven't ran out of mine yet. I mean, I will cut this part off, or maybe this part off, when the other one's getting really low, and I'll like scrape the insides because I want to make sure I get every nook and cranny of On Guard toothpaste before I throw it away. And I think that's everything that needs to be prepped before I put everything away. Oh, I will prep this one. So this is the fractionated coconut oil. So this has like plastic all around it because they want to make sure that the lid doesn't come off. And so I will prep I mean, I like to prep this because sometimes when you hop out the shower, you don't want to do this when you're hopping out the shower and needing to put this on your body. So, and for me, that would be on my face and head. So can you imagine like hopping out the shower and being like, you know, just something, you know, trying to fight the plastic here? Oh goodness. Yeah. I mean, it has like ways to take it off, but you know what I'm saying. All right. have a little struggles over here. It's cool. We will win this battle against the plastic. All right, so boom, there it is. Again, I use this for my face and head after I shower to moisturize it, to help with the essential oils to absorb better. I put lemon, 1 drop of each, lemon, lavender, peppermint, Melaleuca, and that supports my skin health, helps keep my skin clear as well, which is really important because I am in the camera a lot. I talk to a lot of people, so it's important for me to be a product of the product, right? Use what I tell people, but also realize that I'm getting really good results from this stuff. And it's because I use it morning and night, and I use it if I sweat a lot in the summer. Like I will wash my face one other time with water, and then I'll apply this and the essential oils that I mentioned. And that helps to support, again, exfoliation, skin health, moisturizing, reducing chance of irritation, so many benefits. And I do like to prep the other one when I run out of this one. And so that is also, okay, so it has like a little lip, which I probably should have done the first time, but it's cool. All right, so stripping it down. All right, anyways. Now that's prepped. All right, so now all this, let me see, does this need to be prepped? Maybe a little bit, you know, like punch the hole a little bit so that I'm locked and loaded, ready to go when I need it. Just do one of them. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So I will put these away. So this is more like bathroom pantry stuff, and this is like, I have like places to hold all my extra oil bottles, and I put stickers on top, and I put some stuff under my sink in my bathroom, and so everything has a place, and everything will be in its place so that when I need it, I can put it in the place that it matters, which is on my body, right? To moisturize or help with skin health, and to take it internally because it supports my digestive, mouth, and throat health, or just energy and other aspects of life, right? Or I will use it aromatically in a diffuser to help with my mood, relaxation at night, or uplifting in the day. So boom, that's the reason this is all here. And it's so important to have natural solutions literally within arm's reach so that when life's little emergencies pop up, right? When Murphy's Law, which basically says anything that can go wrong will go wrong, not to be a downer, but it's so important that we have this stuff within arm's reach because they're safe, they're effective, and they're less expensive than traditional and synthetic options, especially when you use them proactively, right, before you have something going on, and also when you use them in a way where you get free stuff. And a lot of the times what I've noticed is that people are like, well, I'm healthy, Lance, I don't need any of this, right? And but the important thing to recognize is your health can be compromised at any time by being surrounded by other people whose health isn't good, or with what you eat, or what you breathe in, or anything like that. So it's important to what we did to stay well, or get well, we do to stay well, and we don't wait until our health is in a ditch and then say, hey, I need some help, right? Once we notice a little dip in quality of life, that should be the moment we look to a solution, and we look for something that, again, is safe, effective, natural, and less expensive than traditional options to get our quality of life back up. Not wait till it's in a ditch, not believe we're Superman when it's up here and say, I don't need anything ever, because we will. Quality of life will dip, whether it's due to stress, energy, lack of sleep, your digestion, skin health, a breakout may happen, we got wrinkles, I mean, I keep going, hormone imbalances, like, there's so much stuff that can happen to any one of us any day. And it's just mind-boggling to me when people say, I don't have anything wrong with my health, you know, and it's just like, we all have something we can improve with our health. Even if you think you're up here, you may be able to get here. Or even if you think you're here with your health, the moment you dip, what are you doing to not allow it to dip further down? Or what are you doing to try to get it back on track? Or if you're down here with quality of life, what are you doing to try to get it up, right? And why did you wait for it to get so low? Maybe you didn't know of other options, okay? Maybe you did. The point is, there's so many things we can do, and these have helped me tremendously with my quality of life. I spend less, I have a higher quality of life, and I feel so empowered to take my health into my hands, literally into my hands, to make a dramatic change. And now it's just about helping other people and educating them on how they can do the same, right? And that is so key. And I never had that before, right? Whenever you get some information, education, facts, figures, truth, and it unlocks something, you have a breakthrough. That's what I've been having for the past 4 or 5 years with doTERRA, is just breakthrough after breakthrough with my skin, with my digestion, with my energy, with my communication skills, conflict resolution skills, you know, interacting with my audience and you on YouTube, and it's so cool. It's such a blessing, and I'm very thankful for it all. And yeah, well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.